Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. A student sent me this math problem and I wanted to work it for y'all. Okay, I'm gonna hold it here. Hopefully, if it makes you dizzy, put your foot on the floor. All right. A nurse was assigned to a med-surg unit ward to care for a 30-year-old female diagnosed with pneumonia. The primary health care provider prescribed 250 milliliters of D5W to be infused over 2 hours and 45 minutes. The drop factor is 60. To safely administer the prescribed intravenous solution, the nurse should regulate the IV pump for how many drops per minute. And then Ethel wants you to do milliliters per hour, and then you got to do the time. But let's just stop right here at milliliters per hour, at drops per minute. So you remember drops per minute is the total volume. Dookie Ford. Okay, sorry y'all. I quit cussing one cuss word at a time, and I'm on the S word, and I say dookie fart. It's total volume times the drop factor divided by your time in minutes. Okay? So let's look at it. Our total volume is 250 milliliters. The drop factor is 60. Drop factor. And the time for it to go in is 2 hours and 45 minutes. And our time has to be in minutes. So you're going to have to multiply 2 hours times 60. 60 times 2 equals 120. And add them 45 to it. 45 equals. So it's got to infuse over 165 minutes. Okay? You picking up what I'm putting down so far? I believe you are. I'm all the way off the darn thing, ain't I? Sorry. Okay. So we're going to do all the math. This times that divided by that. Okay, so 250 times 60 equals divided by 165. And look, that's going to be 90.9 drops per minute, but you can't give 0.9 of a drop. So that would round it up to 91 drops per minute. So that's what Ethel's first answer would be, okay? Now the second one says complete for milliliters an hour, okay? So milliliters an hour is the total volume divided by the time in hours. Okay? So let's go back up here, and it says, what's our total volume? 250 milliliters. And what is our time? 2 hours and 45 minutes. But minutes are not hours. It's like apples and oranges. And so we have to convert the minutes into the portion of the hour. When they give you time, you know the total volume, the total number of minutes in an hour is 60. I don't know if you can see this. 60. So whatever they give you, this they gave us 45. We have this portion of minutes, and this is the total that could possibly ever be in an hour in your whole entire life. And so this fraction says this divided by that, okay? Get your calculator and let's do it together. 45 divided by 60 equals 0.75. So 45 minutes is 0.75 of an hour. And so we would just add 2.75 hours. That's how we would do it. I don't care if they give you 15 minutes. We're putting it over 60, and we're going to divide it out. That divided by that. And it's going to give you a decimal. and you'll add it to whatever hours they have and move on with life. So we're going to do this divided by that. 250 divided by 2.75 equals, look. And this is milliliters an hour. It will be 90.9, which would round up to 91 milliliters per hour. I know y'all saying, what? But just let's finish this and I'm going to show you something. Okay, I'm not going to do my little thing on. Look. Oops. Never mind. I was going to show you my G-Baby. So that's what we would put, 91 milliliters an hour. And then Ethel wants to know, if the infusion was started at 1500, the nurse should expect the solution to end at what time? We start at 1500. 1600 would be 1 hour. 1700 would be 2 hours. And then plus our 45, it should end at 1745, which is 5:45 p.m. All right? I hope that just turned the brightest light bulb off right in the middle of your head. Okay. Thanks for the problem. I hope y'all enjoyed it.